Hello, this is Kim. Thanks for stopping by my channel. I am a design team member for Country Craft Creations, and I want to show you some projects that I made with the Love Letters collection. This is an exclusive paper collection by Country Craft Creations. There is an online store website of countrycraftcreations.com if you are interested in this collection. I'm going to show you some projects that I made. There will be a tutorial later on the album, but I also made some tags and I repurposed something that I purchased. So I'll just do the tutorial on the actual album. So the first thing I want to show you is this little swivel. It's on a stand and it just swivels back and forth. But I thought this would be cute for in my bedroom, on my bureau, or even on my nightstand. And it just holds notes. This side I probably would not actually use this for notes. That's the other side. This actually is an envelope, and you can take, I put in a little paper here, but I could put notes in there. I have some metal corners, this mirror charm and purse charm. I have some lace, but I thought that was kind of cute. It was a quick project and also make a good gift, I think. So always be on the lookout for items that you can repurpose. Even if you don't like the way they look when you buy them, you can always do a lot to enhance them. So there's the first project. The next project, I made some tags, and I don't know, am I known for tags? I'm not sure, but let me show you these a little bit up close. So I hope the color's coming through. This is an actual old picture that I purchased at I don't know, like an antique shop or something. But I have some lace trim down here, metal leaves, a cameo, different textures of flowers. So some are paper, some are thread. I have the spray up in the corner. I do like to use a variety of textures when I'm making things. I don't know if you can see, there's some fantasy fiber in there by Art Glitter Glue behind the flowers. And then the back I put paper, but I don't decorate the back. This one might be my favorite. This was the first one I made. Maybe the next one. I don't know. This is actually an old picture too, and I cut it into a circle, which, that kind of bothered me to do that, but I did it. Butterfly, just a real simple flower on the bottom. This is a graphic 45, and I don't know if you're getting the color, but the leaves are kind of a pink and green. This is a ticket from the collection. This trim I put two. When I put this kind of trim on, I usually put something on top of it. To kind of add a little bit more color or interest. Have the word hope here in glitter letters, and then again the back I cover, but I don't do any decorating. And the last one, this one's kind of, I was gonna say loud, but there's a lot, it's kind of loud, yeah. There's a lot going on. So I covered a wooden heart with some burlap paper, and then I added this like diamond, it's not, I don't know, chain, I guess. I don't know if you can see the gems. And then the lace here, like I said, I like to put trim on top of that. This is a Tim Holtz saying, "Love this life." Again, different textures of flowers. I have pearls, paper, silk. Here's a resin bird, metal leaves. I have a chipboard heart that I put some sickles on, and then the back. Alright, so that's my set of 3 tags using love letters. And so now I'm going to show you the album that I made. Alright, so I don't remember, I think, oh shoot, let me get a ruler. I don't remember. So it is 5 inches across, and it's 9 inches tall, and I believe the spine is 2 inches for the spine. Okay, so I seem to do the same type of embellishing. It seems like I always have a corner spray of some, or flower arrangement of some sort. That's just kind of my signature decorating, I guess. But I have some gathered ribbon, gathered lace, whatever you want to call it, a key, another saying heart and soul, and then just this flower cluster. I got these flowers, they're what are they called? Market 49 and Market. They're older one, but I did get them from the store. I don't know if she still carries 49 and Market flowers or not. I put in a button here. The sprays, the pink flowers are from someplace else. A friend of mine, I got this corner applique, which is beautiful. And then I have a wooden Live Your Dream, and I added some flowers on the top. Okay, the side, I don't usually do a whole lot with the sides. Some people like to put a lot of dangles. Sometimes, to be real honest, I usually forget and I make it, and then I don't have a way to attach it. And then the back is just the paper. So let's kind of go through the album. So on the left hand side I have the applique flowers, and I have these little acrylic hearts. This is to keep the pages closed. It's like a mat, and I did add some pearls, and the back is plain. These open up, and I left them plain for pictures, and then I have metal corners on this page. So on this one, to keep the individual flaps closed, I have a belly band, and it just slides. I put a wooden heart with a ticket and some appliques, but you just slide this so that you can open it. And I don't know, I used the gold shimmer paper from Country Craft Creations, but like I have a butterfly here, a heart. I used my die cut machine. There's some butterflies here, and then they open up to the side, and I have another butterfly with some pearls, a little heart in the corner, and a corner butterfly. This page I left pretty much plain except for down here. I feel like the lighting is terrible. It says treasure, and it's got two little flat backs here, subtle butterflies. I didn't want it to be like in your face. I wanted it to be more subtle. And then when you close this, you line up the two straps, and you just slide this down. I'm going to put this one on the top though, so I can see what's happening. And you might have to work with it just a hair, because you don't want it too loose, and then that'll keep it closed. This side is just a double pocket. This one goes all the way down, and I just used the gold shimmer paper as a tag. Did some die cutting. I have some bow here out of seam binding, and some paper flowers that I had in my stash. These are actually from the collection. So this page I thought would be good for holding pictures. I don't have a stopper down here. This is just a doily. I feel like the lighting is terrible. But I have a ribbon, a seam binding closure. This can open up, but I just thought you could tuck pictures behind here. I just put a mat back there to show you. This is a doily that I have, a die that I just cut in half and added a couple flowers on top of. This page I have some pearl swirl here, butterfly, flowers in the corner. This comes down, and I did a lot of die cutting. I was kind of proud of myself because I have these machines and I forget to use them. And then I have an applique with one of the tickets, and these are just plain. I left the backs open. And then this is actually a pocket if you want to put something in there, and it's magnetic. This side is a double long pocket. Two of the tickets, a die cut, a ribbon, a bow, put a little pink flat back pearl. This trim is from the store. I have two of the gold mats. I don't know if you can see how it shimmers. I thought this light would help me. The new light that I bought I thought would help with filming, but I don't think it's that great. I hope you can see okay. And then on the back, this just has, it's only 3 pages if you didn't notice. This flips out, and I left this pretty plain. I had added some hearts. Here's another applique. This is more of a pink color. I don't know if you can tell that on the camera. I used a Martha Stewart punch for these hearts. I have a banner that says love, another die cut, and then just added some of the cut aparts here. And I don't have a closure. It's not so bulky and chunky that I needed one. So that's the Love Letters collection. Like I said, I will make a tutorial for the album if you're interested, so be watching for that. And I also will be making, I have a new collection I'll be working with from Heartfelt Creations too. But all right, oopsie. Go ahead and stop over at countrycraftcreations.com and stay tuned. I should get the tutorial up, I would think, within the next week. Thanks, everybody.